Hello students, today we are going to solve the first questions of projection of line. In this question it is given end A of a line AB is 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. It means the end A of the line, it means the projection of the point A of the line is 15 mm above HP, that is the point A dash. Point A dash is 15 mm above HP and point A is 20 mm below. In front means it is below XY line. We have to mark point A 20 mm below XY line. Then further, end B is 50 mm above HP and 75 mm in front of VP. Same way, the point B dash is 50 mm above XY line and point B is 75 mm below XY line. In this way you have to mark it. Further, it is given the distances between the end projectors of the line is 50 mm. End projectors, I have told you in my previous video, end projectors are the line joining point A and point A dash, that is the one projector, and the line joining point B and B dash, that is the second projector, and these two projectors are called end projectors. The distance between these end projectors is given, and is asked to draw the projection of the line and find its true length and true inclination with the principal planes and also mark its traces. So as I told you, you will get following data. To solve any questions you need to have 5 data. Only 5 data, any 5 data will suffice. If 5 data are given, you can draw the projections and you can find out anything, true length, true inclination, HT, VT, anything you will be able to find out. So let us draw it. Alright, so we have these datas. Now based on these 5 datas, we will draw the projection of line. First of all, set the drafter, HP of paper, and mark the reference line, that is XY line. This is my XY line. Now in the question it is given that point A dash is 15 mm above XY line and point A is 20 mm below XY line. So first of all we will draw the locus of all these points, the locus of A dash, A, B dash and B. We will draw the locus of all these points. So first of all you draw the locus of A dash, that is 15 mm above. This arrow indicates above. So from the reference line take 15 mm and draw a parallel line to the XY. This is locus of A dash. Then draw the locus of A, that is 20 mm below. Mark a point 20 mm below XY line and draw the locus, that is locus of A. Then draw the locus of B dash, that is 50 mm above XY line. Mark a point 50 mm above and draw a parallel line parallel to the XY line. This is 50 mm and this line will be locus of B dash. Similarly, draw the locus of B, that is 75 mm below. So mark a point 75 mm below XY line and draw the locus of point B. Okay. Now it is given that end projectors are 50 mm apart. In my previous video, I have told that point A and point A dash are always in same line. Point B and point B dash are always on same line. That is, the end projectors are in same line. In the question, the distance between the end projectors is given, that is 50 mm. We can take 50 mm anywhere on XY line. Anywhere we can take 50 mm, and we will draw a perpendicular line to the XY line. That will be our end projectors, line joining the end projector. So let's take 50 mm anywhere. I'm taking 50 mm here, and I'll draw perpendicular line from these 2 points, cutting all the locus. Now this end projector line, where it cuts the locus of A dash, that will be point A dash. This is point A dash. Where it cuts the locus of B dash, that is point B dash. Where it cuts the locus of A, that will be point A. And where the line cuts the locus of B, that is point B. Therefore, now we know point A dash, B dash, A and B. Therefore, we can draw the projections by joining this point. I am joining point A dash and B dash. This will be my EL, elevation length, and by joining point A and P, I get PL, that is plan length. Okay, now in order to get the true length, we will use the compass. I'll put the compass needle on point A dash and pencil on point B dash, and I will rotate this point till the locus of A dash. I have rotated point B dash till the locus of A dash, and now from this point where the rotation cuts the locus of A dash point, this point I will draw a perpendicular line. I will drop a perpendicular on the locus of B in HP. Draw a perpendicular line using the drafter, and where this line cuts the locus of P, this will be point B1, and connect point A to point B1. You will get your true length. You can measure this length. This is the true length which is asked in the question. Similarly, if you want true length in vertical plane, you can do vice versa. Put the needle on point A and your pencil on point B here, and rotate this point till the locus of A. The point at which the rotation cuts the locus of A, drop a perpendicular from this point to the locus of B dash in vertical plane. Here you will get point B1 dash and connect point A dash to point B1 dash. You will get true length in vertical plane. Both the true length will be equal. You can measure it. For angles, you can measure with the help of your D the angle with EL is making with the locus of A dash. This will be your angle alpha, and which the PL is making with the locus of A, that will be angle beta. And the true length, the angle which true length is making with the locus of A dash, your angle theta, and this true length is making angle with the locus of A. This will be your angle phi. So you can measure these angles, and half of the questions is solved now. Now the remaining part is finding out the vertical trace and horizontal trace. So apply the same method as per the previous video. Extend the elevation length till it touches the XY line. Extend this line till it touches the XY line, and the point where it touches the XY line, this will be point H dash. Then extend the PL till it touches the XY line, and the point where it touches the XY line, this will be point V. This will be point V. Now drop a perpendicular from V to the extended line of EL. And you will get point V dash. Drop a perpendicular point from point V to the extended line of EL. You will get point V dash, and this point is your vertical trace. You can measure the distance from XY line, the distance of point V dash from XY line. This distance, this will be approx 4 mm. This will be approx 4 mm. Right. This is your vertical trace. To find out horizontal trace, you have to drop a perpendicular from point H dash to the extended line of PL. So to drop a perpendicular from H dash, this PL has to be extended this side upward. We'll extend it upward. Extend it, and now drop a perpendicular from H dash to, so I'm writing this H dash here because it is getting cluttered up. This is H dash point which is on XY line, and this point which is on extended line of PL is point H, and this is your HT. Therefore this question is easily solved